Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also put links in the description below for similar bank accounts and credit cards, and some of them offer sign-up bonuses as well. Check it out. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for travel insurance in RBC Royal Bank. To start, open the website rbcroyalbank.com. Then click on Sign In. First, enter your client card or username. Then click on Next. Now, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper left part of the page. Click on the option that says Products and Services. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Insurance. Click on Insurance. You will then see a brief description about travel insurance. To proceed, click on the button that says Get a Quote. First, select what you need coverage for. Select from the options provided. Then click on the right arrow. Now, provide the details of your trip. On the fields provided, enter your destination. It could be the city or airport code. Next, enter the departure date, return date, and the non-refundable trip cost per person. Note that it should be rounded to the nearest dollar. After entering, click on the right arrow. Next, provide the traveler details. On the provided fields, enter the primary traveler's province of residence, number of people who needs coverage, and age of the primary traveler. After entering, click on the right arrow. Now you will see the recommended travel insurance for you. However, you could also try other coverage options, both single trip plans and multi-trip annual plans. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose the deluxe package. Click on the Buy Now button under the plan you wish to select. After selecting a package, we will now proceed with details and payment. On the fields provided, enter the primary traveler's information, such as the first name, last name, date of birth, home address, email address, and phone number. Next, provide the payment information. Select first the card type, then enter the credit card number, security code, card expiry date, and the name on card. After entering all the required information, click on Continue. Lastly, review all the information. If everything's good, read the terms and conditions. Also, make sure to click the blue text that says View/Print Travel Insurance Document to open and review the documentation. After that, click on the tick box to confirm that you have read and agree to all the disclosures. Then click on the Complete Purchase button. That's how you apply for travel insurance in RBC Royal Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.